Welcome back to the Caspa Silver YouTube channel. In today's video, I got some more news for Caspa. So let's go ahead and get straight into it by taking a look at the price action. So first off, Caspa has been doing really well for the past month. It's currently up around 32%, and we've just been simply creating higher lows and higher highs, and we are just consolidating in an uptrend right now. Looking at trading view here, you could just see Caspa's in a really nice uptrend at the moment. And if you're looking at the RSI here, we're not even overheated yet on the daily, and on the stochastic RSI we are like in the overheated territory a little bit, but again, this can always consolidate in this upper area right here. And at least in the RSI here, we're not overheated. We are above all the moving averages though. So it looks like a little correction may be in due, we need a little bit of a correction here maybe. But either way, looking at the weekly, I've said this in the past, like a few weeks ago, maybe. I think on the weekly, we've already been looking like we're just getting started. We finally cross right here on the RSI towards the upside. So clearly this is an uptrend. We have broken the bearish trend, and Caspa's currently in that uptrend. The stochastic RSI is in an uptrend right now. So looking at the weekly chart, it's looking like it's just getting started, and we may be seeing some kind of further movement towards the upside. I do want to point out though that soon the FOMC meeting is going to be coming out in July in the US. These move the markets. If you look at the CME watch tool, you could see that it is predicting an increase in interest rates again in 2 weeks from now. They're going to be increasing interest rates another 25 basis points. And historically, this has actually just turned out bullish for Bitcoin. Usually, every time we've increased, it's usually just continue going up because the CPI has actually been coming out and inflation has been falling. I mean, our latest CPI report came out and it did state that inflation dropped to 3% around there. So that is really good news. It's falling, and that's what we wanted to see. CPI data is coming in really good. If we're looking at the KAS.FYI website, you could see that our hash rate is trying to hit that 2 PHs. I was saying that by this week we should probably be seeing 2 PHs like kind of consistently sitting there. The hash rate was at 2 at one point. I think our max so far has been 2.0 PHs. So the hash rate's just been increasing like crazy, and the prices for the KS0 has actually decreased because of that, because the profitability of course is going to be falling for the less powerful miners. And we have 67% mine, 22 days until the next reduction to only 185 Kaspa per block. Market cap sitting at 539 million, and our trading volume has been really good. Now it's normally sitting above 10 million plus in trading volume, and that is due to more exchanges getting on to Caspa. Looking at the top addresses here, we lost an Aquaman recently. You could see here that there is no longer an Aquaman for Caspa completely. Mexi has just lost its 1 billion Caspa. I guess many people are deciding to withdraw their Caspa and hold it on cold storage wallet, which is really, really good. It just means that people are looking to hold Caspa and not simply just trade it or quickly try to make a quick buck and sell it. And you can see top 10 addresses has dropped under 17%. Top 100 35% owns, and top 1000 addresses own 61% of the total supply. You could see that everything else has just simply been increasing, like sharks and dolphins have just been increasing like crazy in the past 30 days, and especially the whales. I remember looking at this, and this used to be sitting around the 180 area, and now we're about to hit 200 whales. So that is a lot of whales in Caspa. And just remember that the addresses that are here are not going to be correlated to individual holders, because one wallet can maintain a ton of different addresses. So just keep that in mind. This does not mean we have 272,000 holders. And another thing to keep in mind, I just want to point out that our market cap ranking is not 215. This data is grabbed from CoinMarketCap, and if you go to CoinGecko, you can actually get the correct listing ranking for Caspa. So I just want to point that out, because I know a lot of YouTubers talk about Caspa and they don't realize that Caspa is already a top 100 coin, and they state I could see this going to 100, top 100. It's already there. Caspa has already done that. We're already within the top 80 here. We're currently sitting at 81. So yeah, just want to let you guys know about that. Let's get into some news. So recently, calling on Caspa miners, official pool-in has integrated a new pool-in mining pool for Caspa. They've even offering a month of zero mining fees. Get started today and make the most of your mining with their extensive expertise. So we just got a new pool for Caspa miners to mine to get their block rewards, and there was a lot of speculation of what was going on. Why was Caspa's price moving so much? Because Poolin was recently dumping a lot of Bitcoin on exchanges, and some people were speculating that they were supposedly just buying up the Caspa so that they can pay the rewards and whatnot. And they own some Caspa now. So they're a mining pool, and that's bullish as we get more pools to mine on Caspa. Another thing is Bitpanda is finally live. We finally have Bitpanda for Caspa. So I have not really tested out this exchange or taken a look, but if you guys are interested in looking into another exchange, Bitpanda is now live with Caspa. Last but certainly not least, this is interesting. I've titled this video, Binance's eyes are on to Caspa, and this is because recently a user by the name of Nicholas, who is actually a listing research lead at Binance US. And this guy has actually been staring at Caspa for a while. He's followed me, I think, like a month ago, and he's been following a lot of people that are in the Caspa space community, and he's just been following them and been looking around, and he actually developed a whole entire article that's a deep research into Caspa. I'm going to probably be making a video about just kind of highlighting the key points in the article, but he concludes in this article that Caspa has therefore solved the trilemma, and he just goes really deep in this article. If we want to take a look at it over here, this is the link, and it's a really deep article, and it's a really good read. If you guys are interested, I need to give a read on this and probably just highlight the key points so you guys can see that in the video. But yeah, we can confirm that this guy does work for Binance.us. You could see here Binance.us 3 years listing research lead 2022 to present, so 1 year, and it says provide leadership and direction to a team of 5 research analysts in executing due diligence on potential digital asset listings for both Binance US and Binance International. So that is very, very interesting news we have here. For sure, Binance is already looking at Caspa, and so a listing on Binance, it's not if it happens, it's more like when it happens, because we're just waiting. We're just waiting now. Their eyes are on Caspa, and maybe a listing for Caspa may come soon, but they're probably waiting for there to be more volume, more liquidity, so that they can maybe start getting their buys in and be an exchange to list Caspa. So these are just bullish things for Caspa as Caspa continues to grow and continue developing on its network. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update video, and if you guys have not gotten your Tangent wallets, please consider getting that. The link is down in the description to get 10% off of Tangent. Also, not only that, if you have not gotten your OneKey wallet, I have now a promo code for OneKey, and if you simply just put the promo code Kaspa Silver in the code box, you get 5% off the OneKey wallet. You could choose between the OneKey Classic or the OneKey Mini. Just know that the OneKey Mini does not connect to your phone. It doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities. The OneKey Classic does, but both of these do support Caspa. So if you guys are interested in getting any of these wallets, the OneKey or even the Tangent wallet, you guys can check the links down below, and I'll appreciate all the support. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new around here, and as always, don't be average, be different.